US President Joe Biden's National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan is embarking on several days of talks with top Chinese officials in Beijing this week, aimed at quieting tensions between the two superpowers ahead of the upcoming November election. By the way, Jake Sullivan's trip is the first by a US National Security Advisor since 2016. Meanwhile, US prosecutors have filed a revised criminal indictment charging Donald Trump with election interference in an attempt to keep the case alive after a Supreme Court ruling granted broad immunity to former presidents. More than 70,000 international student graduates in Canada face the risk of being deported due to recent changes in federal immigration policies. The students who came to Canada with hopes of building a new life are now protesting across the country. US Vice President Kamala Harris and her running mate, Minnesota Governor Tim Walz, will sit down with CNN for their first joint interview since they launched their campaign. The growing monkeypox outbreaks in Africa that triggered the World Health Organization's emergency declaration are largely the result of decades of neglect and the global community's inability to stop sporadic epidemics among a population with little immunity against the smallpox-related disease, leading African scientists have argued.